Ayan.
Hello guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay,
My name is Prince.
Okay.
Madruga Piano.
My name is Madriaga John Luke Opiano.
Okay. So, and me, my name is Teacher Nerissa. I'm the teacher for today for my grandson. Ayan. It's a morning learning. Can you say it?
Morning
learning. Okay? English is live. Okay?
Ngayon, game tayo.
Okay.
This.
And
And then this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, let's start with reading and spelling. Okay? Can you spell this one? Okay. No, it's okay.
Boy.
Boy.
B.
B-O-W.
Okay.
Y.
Boy.
Boy.
Okay, next.
Girl.
G. Okay. L.
L.
What's the word?
Girl.
Girl. Okay. Next word. Spelling.
H-E-A-O-L.
H.
H-E-A-D.
D. So what's the word?
Head.
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 Okay. Next one. Spell the words.
H-A-N-D-C.
This is, what's this?
D-S.
S.
D-S.
Okay, repeat. Okay, repeat. Spelling. H. No. H.
H-A-N-D.
S.
What's the word?
T.
Hands.
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 Kuli what te? Ne?
Te.
Okay.
Hands.
Boy.
Boy.
So in Nihongo,
Otoko.
otoko. Girl.
Otoko.
Joshi.
Joshi.
Okay.
Onenoko.
Head.
Atama.
Okay. Hands.
Te.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So our next word is reading. Okay. Can I have that?
Hi.
Okay. So this is our reading for today. Okay. So let's see. So. Okay. What's the word? Okay.
Shouting.
Okay. One. Okay.
Shout.
Shout. Very good.
Shout.
Next. Look at the picture.
Singing.
No.
I am singing.
No.
Music.
Music.
No. Can you spell the word?
W-H-I-S-T-L-E.
So, what's that? It's like this. Ooh, you know. Look at me. Ooh. Oh, what's that?
Whistle.
Yes, very good.
Whistle.
Whistle. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Okay, next word.
Study.
Book.
No.
Study.
Reading.
No. What's the word?
Reading.
Can you spell?
Reading. R-E-A-D.
Okay, read.
With.
Read.
Atita.
Read. So,
Atita.
very good. Okay, next word. What's this?
Shouting.
Spell the word.
Oh, laugh.
Can you spell it? Spell it.
L-I-U.
Prince.
Every.
No, spell the word.
L
The guy.
A D
U
U
G
G
H.
H.
What's the word?
Laugh.
Louder.
Laugh.
Very good.
Laughing.
Okay, next word. Ay! Wait lang. Next word.
Bike.
Cycling.
Biking.
What's that?
Bike.
Can you spell?
R-I-D-E.
So what's the word?
Bike.
No. What's the word?
Word.
Ride.
Ride. Oh.
Ride. Ride. Okay?
Ride.
Ride. Okay. Next word. Oh, this one is nice. Okay, look at this. Okay.
Touch.
Okay, can you spell?
Touch.
Very good. So
Touch.
what's the word? Touch.
Touch.
What is touch?
Touch.
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 Touch. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Next. Okay, so this is about the ear. Okay, ear. Okay, ear. Okay.
Listen.
Listen. Can you spell?
Licen. L to ah. L.
L.
L-I-C.
No, S.
L-I-S-T-E-N.
Okay, so what's the word?
Sing.
Listen.
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 Diba?
Okay. Where is your ear? Where is your
Ito pala
ear?
yun. High school.
Okay. Ear.
Ito pala yung
Ear.
high school.
Ear.
Kaya.
Okay. Listen.
Ito pala
Okay.
yun, high school.
Where is your ear? Can I have your ear? Listen. Listen. Okay, very good.
Ito pala yun, high school.
Okay. Next. Look at the word. Picture. Yes. Okay. Morning. Okay.
Pull.
Can you spell the word?
Pull.
P.
Word.
Can you
P-U-L-L.
Okay. What's the word?
Pull.
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 Pull. Okay.
Swimming pool.
Bakit kaya siya?
Okay, next.
Guys,
Sabi
gaya
mo.
siya ako.
Guys, gaya siya ako.
Una kayo.
Oh, this one is very
Guys,
good.
sabi niya,
Okay, what's the word?
Lagi.
Look at this.
Bully siya school.
Walk.
Okay.
Bully siya.
Let us spell the word.
Oh. Jump.
Oh, spell the word. J.
J. S.
No. J. U.
U.
J-U-M-P.
Okay, what's the word?
Jump.
Bilis ako.
Jump.
Jump.
Eh, wala pa yun.
Oh, can you read? Jump.
Jump.
Okay, very good. Okay, next.
Takot.
Okay. Okay, this one. Look at the word.
Look.
Okay. Spell the word.
Look.
L.
Spell.
L-O-O-K.
Okay.
Look.
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 Okay,
Look.
good. Okay,
Look.
next.
Picture.
Next
Look,
word.
picture. You see?
Oh, you want?
Snow.
Snow. This daw yan.
Okay.
Snow.
Okay, spell the word. Spell.
M-A-K-E.
What's that?
M-A-K-E.
So, what's the word?
Snow.
Make.
Make.
Make, tama yun.
Make.
Make ba yun?
Make.
Snow.
Make?
Make.
What's make?
Make. 日本語で作る。
Make.
なんか作るね。例えば、ケーキ。
適当に
作る
sabi mo yun.
I will make a cake.
Make.
Okay? So, make.
Lucky.
Okay, next.
Lahat tayo gawin to. Gusto ka, Feng. Wait.
Oh, hindi.
Ako na ba?
Dami.
So dami. Bakit? Hindi na mabasa.
Okay. What's the word?
N-C-T.
Okay, what's the word?
See.
See. Okay.
You see?
You
Like
see?
a comment.
Yes. Likes.
And happy.
Comments.
Comments and
Comments.
Dilights ka.
Likes. Comment.
comment
And
and
share.
Dilights ka comment.
Okay, so.
Dilights ka comment.
Okay, so we will say
Depende
goodbye
toto.
first because we're going to have a breakfast. So this is our morning lesson for my kids, for my grandson. So say thank you for watching with us. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Share, like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
and share. Thank you. Bye.